Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to use filters in Google Analytics 4. So traditional filters you cannot use in GA4. Uh, for example, if I go to admin and here you can see your filters. So you cannot, here you can see displaying filter for universal properties only. Filters cannot be applied to GA4 property. So in GA4 property you cannot use admin filters, but there are some filters GA4 is providing. So suppose this is your Google Analytics account and you have to go to in the report section, and here you can open any report. Suppose I use traffic report, traffic acquisition. Let me add more data so you guys can easily understand. So here you can find all the group channels. So if you want to add filters, suppose I want you can see a graph here, top 4 uh, channels trend this graph is showing. So if you want to see only one, I mean direct, so what you can do, you have to click on add filter, then you have to search here the name channel, and here you can find default channel group. Here you can see exact match or contains begins with any filter you as per your requirement you can use. And I want suppose organic, and then apply it. You can use more filters and or anything you can use. You can delete this. So suppose I want to use only one filter, so organic search you can see. One more example you can see. Suppose I'm in landing page and I want to check contact us page data. So I will click on add filters, then I will search here landing page. So I'm in a landing page report, so only a landing page data I can use. Here I will add contact and then I will apply. You can see now graph and data have changed. Now let me cross it. One more filter you can use. So second is table filter. We call it table filter. So if I search here contact and I do enter, then you can see same thing. So it's more easy, and but if you have complex filter condition, then you can use it. If you are simple, then you can use it. You can further, you know, you can add one more dimension here. Suppose I want to use geo country, you can use country as well here. So this is very helpful, these filters. Hope you guys like it, and if you have any query you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.